Okay, I think we're good. All right, so this is me reacting to Couragejd trolling Ninja with a soundboard of Ninja. This, oh, you guys are gonna love this. This is so
Fortnite
funny,
Battle
dude.
Royale.
Ultimate Battle Royale.
Experience.
Fortnite Battle Royale.
I mean, it was just crazy bad.
You say to me, you little.
Cypher, you want to know what video I'm going to film today? I've set up an entire soundboard of Ninja lines.
Oh god.
You say to me,
Oh my god.
Let's go!
What?
You are the best player in the game. No, you're not. I never said that. Like, I'm trying to explain that feeling to you.
Landing
I really want
Cates.
you to try to know
What
I'm
the
talking about.
hell?
All right, you know when you take a right, and it's like one of those like gay.
What the hell? What?
Dude, where,
What's
like,
going on?
like, your whole body is like adjusting to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then even after the fact, it's almost hard to sit down because of what you just gave birth to. You know what I'm saying? And then finally, like your body slowly.
What's he talking about, dude?
Like, it starts to like, you know, your butthole starts to just like go back to normal, and it's just like that feeling of like, oh my
Cypher's
god.
like,
you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about.
He's not really talking about this, is he?
Do I have a problem?
Yeah, you got a major problem. Is that
do,
normal?
Like, do I have to get this checked out? Because that's how I feel sometimes after some where it's just like, dude.
I'm guilty of this too.
I'm never
Do
gonna
we
share
have a
any of
tent?
my stories with you guys ever again.
That's great.
Do we have a tent?
Yo, it's like, what the?
Yo, my bad. My mic was muted. What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, man. You guys dude.
People here.
For real, man. That was one of those moments where I was like, dude, I
So
think
at this
felt
point,
human, and
Courage
it was
would be trolling Ninja, but
I can
Ninja
say that
is just
I
having this
had-
weird
I've had many
conversation
shit in my
with
day where
himself.
It happens, and then after it happens, I literally feel like free.
Jack, that's all I just want.
Hey, I've had
Like,
green hair while I was streaming
unchained
Fortnite.
from something, and like,
dude.
you know what's the best one? You know what the best poops are? Is when you take a shit and then you go to wipe and it's just a clean snap where there's nothing there.
It's called the ghost shit.
Yeah, it's like it's such a clean.
I've never
wipe
heard of that
you
before,
almost are tempted
man.
to put the baby wipe back in the baby wipe container.
Have
to
you guys
reuse
heard
it,
of a
you know?
ghost shit?
Guys, I need
I don't think I've ever had that.
Cypher's trying to change it.
shotgun ammo.
It's like I would almost use the napkin
Cypher's
to
trying
wipe
to
my
change the
face at dinner.
subject. He's just like, what?
All right.
Shotty ammo? Anybody?
I dropped another shot ammo right here.
Oh my
Cypher,
god,
please wipe
Courage.
down, it's not all
He
about-
loves to troll Ninja, and I love that. He trolls everybody, actually, but
Wait,
he
what?
trolls Ninja more.
Dude, I suck, bro.
Hey, hey!
Whiff City right now, dude.
Off me! You're on me, get off me!
That's the energy we need.
That's the ninja I
Right
want.
here.
Hey, I'm here. Chun-Li, no shield.
Hey, Chun-Li.
Cypher,
Oh
be
my
careful.
god.
I got her. I got her.
Be careful, Cypher.
I'm strong enough.
Sorry, I was
So,
launch
dude,
padding.
is that what that was? You're the one who got knocked. Okay, dude. Okay.
You should say that when he gets knocked. He starts yelling at you.
My
He
god.
will start yelling at me, right?
Yep,
No,
he will.
What are you talking about? I never yell at you. I never yell, man. I don't know.
Okay.
You
He
really
yells
have
all the
on
time,
your
man.
soundboard?
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
Oh man.
That's how you sound.
Do you think you're so fucking Is that not a soundboard laugh?
Oh my god! Oh, I feel
Oh
so
my
happy.
god.
I'm just so happy right now. I love you. Oh my god! Here they come.
Courage
Full tree of sweats. Full tree of sweats.
Laughs his
They're
ass off
flaring me, they're
when he
flaring me.
trolls Ninja, dude.
Popping a big really quick.
And sometimes
Don't forget
Ninja
to
deserves it, just because he's Ninja.
120 on this guy?
Coming.
One left.
Running as
No,
fast
no,
as
wait,
I can.
That guy probably is weak. That guy probably is weak.
Dead.
Yo, those guys can have a great day.
Game right now, I will not report you.
Yo.
Wow.
Let's go!
Cypher's a beast, dude. Cypher's a beast.
That's a Cypher.
Get good. Yeah, trash.
You're
dude.
trash.
Good.
Does anyone give me one?
I don't know if you're illiterate or what, but
Of this stream right now, we are talking in. What?
By the way, someone goes, does Courage stream? I couldn't find him on Twitch. Watching everyone at once. Yeah, you can go to youtube.com/CourageJD. Watch him live on YouTube.
I got the free plug. Oh my god. Wow. Holy hell.
You're the one who got Okay, cool, dude.
Ooh.
God!
The single most worst day of Ninja's life. He just played it.
I'm not seeing enough movement, me dude.
No,
Yep.
no, I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't.
Oh
I
my
I did.
god.
really didn't.
Dude.
No, I think my mic lagged actually, or the program.
Your mic did not lag. I definitely heard it.
Oh my God, this is like when the Avengers get called back in. You're like Captain America by
Oh
yourself.
my
Thanos'
God.
army is coming and you need help right now. This is Avengers Endgame, the finale, final scene. Bring me Thanos!
He's so stupid, dude.
Go!
He loves to troll people, dude.
Ninja!
Get him up! Get him out!
Say to me, you little shit! The fuck you say to me,
Get
you
him
little
out
shit!
with that
You are the best player in the game. Thank you for playing, guys. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
Oh,
The item shop. Wow, supported critical.
wow,
Ninjas,
dude. I love it.
What?
There's a henchman
Oh,
bundle?
I freaking love it, dude.
What they used to say?
They would
Ashley.
say things like, "Ready to ninja."
Yeah. Well,
So we're gonna watch some video,
Say to me, you little shit!
and we're gonna watch some videos and speedrun
Yeah.
Minecraft after
that's how I
full
feel
videos.
right now.
You shut up when I'm talking to you! You shut your mouth!
You've gotta be kidding me, dude.
Yeah, Tyler.
What?
You shut up when I'm talking to you! You shut your mouth!
Oh my
By the way, I think
god.
they removed this
Internet
skin.
issues?
I can't find it. I used to
Me
wear it
or
all the time.
you?
It was like one of my OG skins. No one ever had it. It was called Hope.
Can I not
No,
stream in
I'm not gonna
1080p no
ask
more?
again. Cue the game.
Oh my god, dude, she's not. I'm getting fucked.
Yeah, I don't see any hope skin.
Wait, what about Heim? Heim with no helmet. The blue skin,
No, it's not her, dude.
no helmet.
No, it's
I
not
like
her, bro.
this.
It was a blue skin.
He's just
It was a
he's
blue
just saying
skin.
words to piss
That
him off.
skin is blue.
No, a blue background.
What the hell does that even mean?
Blue rarity.
Blue rarity. Thank you.
Is it marshmallow?
Shut up, Jack.
I like how you
so
just...
Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Why does that work in every scenario, dude? Why am
Oh my god. I don't know why, but it's funny.
Elmira. What about Fyra?
Jack, at this point, you're just messing with me.
I'm the blue background, 4-letter, one-word name.
Dude, someone has to go back.
He
and
always
find a
does
video,
this to
bro.
Ninja.
I
He just
know
says
I've
shit to
uploaded a
piss
video
him
on
off.
YouTube.
What about Lachlan's skin?
Dude, I'm literally, Jack, I'm literally...
Thank you for playing, guys. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.
You're gonna drive me insane. You're gonna drive me insane. I'm already insane!
Why? You're the one who got knocked. Why? You're the one who got knocked. Wait for me in the canisters. Wait.
I love
Yeah,
when
we're waiting
Ninja
already.
goes crazy,
wait,
dude.
wait,
Ninja's
wait.
hyper, man. I miss it.
Wait. Why'd you use everything?
We're waiting.
Ninja, come here.
Why am I so memeable? All right.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Wait, Ninja, come back! Ninja, no! Oh, I'm getting shot! This is a red, code red!
Oh my goodness. And Ninja's like, you son of a bitch. I don't like that gun, MK7. I don't like that gun at all. Cypher. He's trying not to laugh, but it's so funny.
You want to stop it, Jack?
Oh my god. And they die. And they die. Ninja's, he's dead.
Oh my god, dude.
He's flossing.
I don't want to relive this every day of my life!
Oh my god.
Shut up, Jack.
What? What have I done?
What do you mean? What have you done? You just
Oh.
dressed
What have
up
I
as a ninja skin,
done?
flossed in front of me, and played the most
Oh
haunting,
my God.
daunting memory of my life.
What I gotta do is
I don't
call
care what you guys
nasty.
say, dude. I freaking love Ninja.
Oh my god, that explosion was so loud in my headset.
Which explosion? This one?
Stop, are you actually fucking kidding me, bro? You're such a troll, dude. I just said... Yeah, the same one.
Oh my
was kinda
god.
funny.
I don't want to kill him.
You just did.
He's the one that got knocked.
Yo, let's go get him. Oh, okay.
Got him.
Bro, you really just fucking yoinked that shit from me.
You would have done the
Like,
same
give me AR,
thing.
give me AR. I killed him, you. Oh my god, I did way more damage than you did. I can't believe you fucking literally just sold that.
I meant Max
I called it.
insane. Oh my god.
We should fucking
So am
get
I.
it.
Yeah, but I called it.
I can't with you guys right now, man. I'm honestly, bro, like, I did not sign up for this.
These are the moments where I just
Oh
can't,
my
I can't tell if I
God.
was serious or trolling.
I'm being totally fucking serious, dude. I'm just getting shafted right now, bro.
Oh my
Ow!
God.
Did half the fucking damage.
Oh, bitch, I'm little baby.
Ninja wants to freaking punch him right in the face, dude.
Bro, what the?
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out.
Jack,
Watch out
was
on
that
the
you?
target.
No? What
I
was
don't know how
what?
to survive.
You
What
literally
happened?
shot out my fucking web and killed me.
Have metal.
You can do that.
You can get a res off.
Jack, get over here.
Armor on me.
Alright, he
Armor
got
on me.
one
Get
down.
the res off. Nice.
Get
Full
us
armor,
out the
full armor.
box,
Full armor. Oh, I'm dead.
Yo, Jack, you're a fucking troll, dude. You literally I've ever seen in this fucking
Guys, we
game.
just got thirded.
You literally shot me. And killed me.
Tyler, I did
Oh
not intend
my
to do that if I
gosh.
You
did.
did. Hurry up, break it out.
He
break it,
he
let me
he
in.
didn't
I'm out
mean
of
to
metal
do it,
walls.
but just the fact that he did it to piss him off on accident, it's just all the more funnier. It is. I love when Jack trolls
I'm
freaking
not
Tyler.
taking the
It's
blame
so
for that.
funny.
You're so bad.
I'm not taking the
bad.
It was
blame
an
for that
accident.
by any means.
It was an accident.
Everything wrong there.
How?
You
How?
pushed when
How?
you shouldn't. You
How?
pushed
How?
when you
How?
shouldn't.
How? Hey, Tyler.
Fuck you, kid.
Trying to build up.
Yes, dude,
Goodbye,
keep going,
Spider-Man.
keep
I'm
going,
the
keep
Green
pissing him
Goblin.
off. Keep pissing him off,
Hey,
dude.
Sinister 3, that's the nickname for my penis.
So what, 3 inches?
Yeah, I'm the busy goblin.
No one thinks you're funnier more than you.
Oh my god.
I just got a 44
What you say to me, you little shit?
That laugh.
This fucking thing.
Hey, head on over to Campy Kettles and suck my ass.
That's so good.
Oh my god,
Watch out,
dude.
watch out.
Jack is so
Absolute,
funny,
absolute.
dude.
I fucking love you, dude.
I know you do.
They all
He's
did.
good at
Right
games
now,
and he's
literally
funny,
choking right
dude.
now,
So
bro.
that makes him.
Yeah, just like that. Oh, back up into me, dude. You big girl.
We gotta get out.
Dropping to the floor.
Make
Oh
that
my
ass
god.
shake.
What?
That was
Don't
Tim.
giggle at your own shit like that.
Great stuff. Way to take those shitters out. Now head on over to Campy and get on the top of this thing.
What the
Wow.
Thank you for the 14 months, Brandon. Thank you for the tier 1 sub. Jack, suck my ass. Cypher, lick my.
You guys good?
You guys good? Grown ass
Why are you
man.
taking
Right
unnecessary?
here, Jack. Find this. Right here.
The way they rag on each other, like every time they play together, it's so funny.
I literally carry you every single day of your fucking life, bro.
Who are you
Respect
talking
me.
to? Me?
I'm talking to you, man.
I didn't say anything. I was talking to Cypher.
I was calling out perfectly, bro. You mimicked me, bro. You.
What?
mocked me.
What? Cypher fucking shot us out. I said grown ass man.
Wait, no, I didn't.
He didn't
guys
shoot you
down.
out.
The guy who you guys killed did.
I hate everyone.
We have a launch.
No. I'm meaning right in his face. Don't care about.
They don't trust each other, man. That's the fun part about them. When they play together and piss each other off, it's just so funny.
We got time to play one more.
Oh wow, we got time to play one more.
Oh, thank you,
He's gonna
Cypher, for
play-
gracious
he's gonna play-
presents.
Oh,
Oh my
baby.
god, we can tell me one more. We can tell me one more. Yeah, Cypher, guess what?
Yo.
Fuck you, kid. Fuck you, kid. Fuck you, kid. You're adopted.
You up.
It stings, daddy.
Wow, dude. I love it. Oh my goodness. When he trolls Ninja, dude, it's perfect. It is so perfect.